everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is October 24th, Saturday. I actually just had a Halloween party last night. This is my friend Haley.
Hello, YouTube.
She has never been on YouTube before,
No.
and she wanted to join because she was at my Halloween party and she has some input for us today. So first things first, let me just tell you, I am Black Swan today. I don't know if you can tell, but I did the ballerina bun and little wings on my eyes. I didn't go completely all out, but I still think that, if you guys want some Halloween inspiration, Black Swan is a really easy costume to do. You just need a black one-piece thing, even just a black long sleeve shirt would be fine, or anything tight black on the top, and then a tutu, and you're good. So, first of all, it was on my bucket list to throw a Halloween party, and so I get to check that off. Haley,
Check.
what did you think of my Halloween party?
Your Halloween party was very festive. The decorations were perfect, on brand. You can't see all of them, but they're very Halloween festive, exactly what I expected from the Queen of Halloween. And it was very fun. I got to meet a lot of Sienna's high school friends that I had never met before. Everyone was in costume, really good costumes.
We had a Tiger King.
We had a Tiger King.
We had a witch.
We had a witch. We had some pajama people.
They were an old couple.
Yeah. They were
Grandma
an
and
old
Grandpa.
couple. We had some Venmo payments. Taylor
Yes,
Swift.
yes,
We had
yes.
a doctor.
It was good. It was good. One of the better parts of the party, of course, is for people to have a good time. And sometimes in order to have a good time, you need a little something, something.
You need a little something.
So I made some drinks for my friends. It was on my bucket list also to be a bartender for a summer, and I have actually been working at a golf course where I have learned a lot about bartending, so I kind of have bartended this summer. Using my new knowledge, I made some drinks for my friends, and one of them being a caramel apple martini.
Yum.
How did you like it?
It was very good. It was very caramel, and it did the trick. It did what it was supposed to do.
So the reason it did what it was supposed to do is because there's actually a lot of vodka in it. There's it was kissed caramel, Smirnoff vodka, and vanilla vodka, and apple cider.
The caramel tasted really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So pretty much I just decided, I didn't really, I put like a shot of each of them and then filled the rest of my cup with the apple cider, and then I shook it up and
Like a real professional.
yeah, with ice and everything, shaken, not stirred, and poured it out, and everybody enjoyed it, I think. Well, not everybody, but we won't talk about that. The other drink that I made for this Halloween party was actually a punch bowl.
It was like a punch. It was like a festive punch.
Yeah, so we had
Cut to picture of punch.
punch. It had a very extensive list of ingredients. 1 cup of pomegranate juice, 1/2 cup cranberry juice blend, 1/2 cup white rum, 1/4 cup triple sec, which the person that was buying this did not get, and 3/4 cup of ginger ale. No, it was Dax.
Oh.
And then orange slices to garnish. Afterward, I ended up putting little spiders on top of the oranges to make it a little more spooky. But I think people enjoyed that one too. Did you like that one?
I did, and the spiders were a great touch. It felt spooky on my insides.
Which one did you like more?
I think I liked the caramel one more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you try the punch?
It really
Disappointed. I should have gotten you some punch. So that was actually a bucket list item as well, to make fancy drinks at a party, and I felt kind of cool doing it, and I felt like Serena Vanderwoodson.
Spooky Serena.
Basically, I was the Halloween queen, but I also was a queen that served my people.
She did. She served it up strong.
All right, well, that's pretty much it for this Halloween Day 24 video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the Halloween content so far. I have just a week left. It's crazy. It's going by quick. And for the rest of my Halloween videos, I will be in Salem, Massachusetts.
Oh gosh, you're right. You will.
It's going to be freaking sick.
Ah.
Can't wait. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because that would really help me out. Haley is very enthusiastic in the fact that you should like and subscribe.
Swipe up.
Swipe up? Yeah, that doesn't work on YouTube really. But have a good day. Bye.
Bye.